Netzach is, of course, can be translated as victory. I translated Netzach in many different ways, because last week we talked that Netzach is also Nitzchiyut, eternal, something that is eternal. But now we're going to concentrate that Netzach is coming from the word Nitzachon. Nitzachon means a victory. And we all like victories. Everybody likes to be victorious. I don't know anybody who plays a game and is like, please, I can't wait to lose. I want to lose this game. Our nature is to win. We want to be winners. And not only that we want to be winners, we vote for the winners. I want my team to be the winner. This whole world is one big game. If you're looking at the game, at the world, it's a world of games. I'm not talking right now that the majority of population of the world, their entire focus is on some type of a game. Whether it's basketball or baseball or whatever it is. I mean, this is the most powerful thing in this planet is sports and games. Everybody, it's about games. And it's a very competitive world. So you can look at it in a very negative way, but it's coming from a very, very positive place that we all in us have this power that wants to win. So going into the week of Netzach, it's important to focus on what we need to work on. Week of Tiferet, then we had to refine the beauty. Week of Gvura, the strength, and so forth. Now we're going to have to concentrate on this power of victory, of Netzach. Netzach is Nitzachon, to win. Now, like I said, people like to win. And like I said also, the world is full of games. And I don't know anybody who walks into a game with the mindset of, how am I losing here? You're walking into a game, how am I winning here? Important thing to know is, because I just said twice that the world is full of games. The whole world is a game. If you're looking at everything in this world, it's one big game. Even in the eyes of Hashem, it's all one big game. What's going on here? We're in a game. We're in like there's now some movies about it. This world is like a video game. That you have a mission, you have stages, and sometimes it's easier to give analogies in the Torah and to compare it to a video game. But nevertheless, in this world, some games are serious. Some serious games. Sometimes you play chess, it's a game. Now you have world leaders that are playing games that can cost millions and millions of lives. So some games in this world are serious games and they're not something to joke around with. Now you have a few world leaders that are bumping shoulders to each other. All it takes is one of them to be angry that he lost. And that's what it takes. You see this motion? It's not a hard motion. It goes like this. And hundreds of millions of people are going to be under a mushroom cloud. That's how sometimes you see, wait a minute, who am I playing games with here?